and go for whole hand, huh? Touch. Yes, that was much better. Touch. Yes. All right.
Ew.
Ready. Hang on, baby. Touch. Yes. Good. Touch. Yes. Oh, brilliant. Well, how many seconds did that take to get you to close the door, huh? Second. All right. Sit. Good. Touch. Yes, that was good. Touch. Yes. Good girl. Give it another good push and you'll have it. Touch. Yes. A little bit more. Touch. Yay. Good girl. Get it. Fantastic. Let's see, how many was that? 4 pushes? See if we can get that down. Touch. Yes, good job. Fantastic. Touch. Yeah. Think one more, you'll get it. Touch. Yay, jackpot. Good girl. Fantastic. All right. And one more time for good measure. Touch. Yes. Good girl. Touch. Yay! Fantastic. Good girl. That was good. All right. Should we do a few more? Touch. Oh, this one. Yes. Touch. Yes. Touch. Yes. Touch. That was a quick one. Do it again. Yes. Fantastic. What else shall we try, huh? You're a good kid. Let me get my target. Let's try a different one. Touch. Oops, yes. Fantastic. Touch. Yes. Yes. Touch. Yes. Touch. Yay! You got a glow. Fantastic. All right. Let's drop that video. Good job, girl.